Number 6, x equals 8 and x plus 3y equals 26. The solution to the given system of equations is x and y. What is the value of y? A lot of times when we have a system of equations, we may want to look at it and try to figure out, is it best to graph it? Is it best to use elimination or substitution? Anytime you have something like this where one of the two coordinates of the solution, the x and y, when the ordered pair of the solution, x and y, is given, just use substitution. Honestly, I think it'll be quicker than typing this into a calculator. But if you want to, put it in a calculator, hey, I ain't going to stop you. Do what you want to do. But me, I would use substitution because we already know that x is 8, so I can substitute it in the other equation. So I'm going to plug it in there for the x. 8 plus 3y equals 26. To solve for y, I want to undo what's been done to it. So I want to get rid of this 8 first, and then I'll get rid of that 3. 8 here is being added to the 3y, so I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to subtract it. When I subtract it from both sides, now I have just 3y on the left, and 26 minus 18 is, 26 minus 8, getting ahead of myself, is 18. And then I want to get rid of that 3. Y is being multiplied by 3. The opposite of that is dividing by 3. And I do that to both sides. I get y on the left and 18 divided by 3, or 6 on the right. And that is my answer because they're asking what is the value of y. I always go back and double check because it's possible they could have been asking what is the value of x times y. And you've just solved for y and you've entered it and then you got it wrong. That they like doing stuff like that. But in this case, they were being nice. It is just a straightforward, what is the value of y? And that is 6. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10 video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.